Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. So let's get started. So right here I'm currently airplane mode, as you can see, no internet connection, but I can still roll my dice this and right here, and then as you can see I'm getting squares. You can see go to shield. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this. So first all you need to go the first open with that code connected to the internet, because with the you would need to go the app store and Android or Android and go to the Play Store and simply need to update your app, because the last version this is right here and there. I want to go make sure that your Monopoly Go app currently updated, and have done that. You can do and try go see that already works, but still doesn't work, and it's maybe for the reason this Monopoly has finally fixed it and doesn't allow anymore. And right here, so you need to internet connection and try reinstalling Monopoly and just simply delete the app and install again and for your device, and have to clear the cache, and it's working clear and data, then launch app and you can see the should working. I hope this video helpful guys. See you on another video soon.